helicopters listed for the east ramp will be low level below the downwind, departing over the ridge to the east and north.
35 Kilo Charlie's reestablished downwind 19.
36 Papa is reestablished, left downwind about to turn to left base 19, St. George.
Skywest 369 Romeo, rolling to the end.
And MPIP 3X-ray Pop's going to extend the downwind for 3X or 36 Pop.
St. George traffic, Skywest 369 Romeo, clear of runway Alpha 5. We'll detect to the terminal via Alpha. Thanks for giving us some space.
St. George traffic, Cirrus 360 Charlie Delta is left downwind for 19, about midfield.
MPIP 3X-ray Pop, left base 19er, number 2, 19er.
St. George traffic, 35 Kilo Charlie's also extending downwind. I'll come in behind M5 3X-ray pop-up.
I really wanted to do a power off 180, dude, but it is not happening right now.
2 mile final,
Too many
19er,
people.
number 2, St. George.
St. George traffic, Cirrus 360 Charlie Delta will extend downwind to give some room for that landing traffic.
35 Kilo Charlie's turning left base, runway 19, coming in behind X-ray pop-up.
3X-ray Pop, short final, 19er.
Was there also traffic in St. George lined up behind X-ray Papa?
Affirmative, 35 Kilo Charlie is about 2 mile final for 19, full stop. St. George traffic, Archer 55066. We're at 6,600 feet, 2 miles north of the field, tracking inbound to the UTI VOR at 6,600. St. George.
St. George traffic, Cap 4390, set Skylanes on downwind, runway 19, full stop, St. George.
St. George traffic, Cirrus 360 Charlie Delta is left base for 19, St. George.
3X-ray Pop is cleared, 19er, Alpha 2, taxi Sandstone.
St. George traffic, left cross over 19, St. George. St. George traffic, Cirrus 360 Charlie Delta, final 19, full stop.